Okay everyone, so good morning. It's another video. I was driving over the weekend and I feel my brakes a little bit shaky, so I decided to change my disc pad. Okay? My front disc pad. I decided to change them today, so come along with me as I change them. So I have the disc pad, I have some tools and some spanner for sure, socket set, and the main thing, right now I have is this power jack. Alright? This power jack will get the job done. Alright? Yeah. Okay? So right now I'm gonna do the thing. So this, plug this into a cigarette lighter. And you want to put the tire under the car, so if anything happens, it'll drop on you. We have spanner. Easy like that. Easy like that. Whoa. Wire. Flat mount screwdriver. Well, see, finish this pad. Once this pad is done like this, it's gonna ride rough. Piston. Now we're just gonna have to go right back. So we'll get back this thing. Yeah. So this hole back here, I use this as a substitute for when I don't have the press back spring. So when I don't have the push back spring, this is what I use, right? And this is what I started to use first before I use the push back spring. Well, I think that is ready. Check out them all on it. Flat mouth screwdriver with this. Understand? New ones. Alright, here we go. New this pad. So you know, so this one by the back. Like so. Like so. Yeah. Right. Give me a little fight to go in. But won't work. Alright. Right hand point, put in back a wire then. Ready. Yeah. Easy as that. Hit that. So you change this pad. Simple like that. sure you tighten these wheels properly, you know. Alright, so here we go. This is basically it, so my brakes is feeling real tough, see? I'm in reverse, put on my handbrake, I'm in reverse, and I move and press my brake, and my car ain't going nowhere. Alright? So I'm gonna test it out in a minute. I'm gonna go on the road. Alright? Yes, sir. Yeah, so thanks everybody for tuning in. And that's my video of how I change my disc pad. It take a little sweat out of me, take a little energy out of me, but trust me, for an hour and a half, or I'm not sure how long it take, but yeah, it was worth it. Alright? Peace. Join me next time for another video.